Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Ourtime support team using your email. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to contact the support team for Ourtime using your email, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and just type in Ourtime and start your search. Once you find the Ourtime dating application, scroll down and tap on the drop-down menu alongside App Support. You will then find the email address that you can use to contact the Ourtime support team. Just tap on this email address and now you can use your email app in order to send your support email. Within the subject section, just type in the rough description of your issue, and on the main body you can explain your issue in detail. Once you type your email, just tap on the send button and your support email will be sent to the Ourtime support team right away. Now all you need to do is wait for their response, which will be sent on your email address. So you can follow the instructions within your email in order to solve any issue within your account. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the Ourtime support team using your email. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.